Good morning guys, and welcome at the biggest pet market in Bangkok, in Chatuchak. The market has a reputation of illegal animal trading with animals kept in terrible conditions, but I hope the living conditions have improved over time. I'm gonna start with the aquatic zone before continuing to the zone with the mammals and birds. I have just entered one of the fish tank shops, which are basically the gates to the midsection. I hope you're all ready guys, because we're about to go straight into the madness. Let's go! And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we are in the middle of hundreds of sellers with all kinds of animals in plastic bags. Look at these lobsters. It's a beautiful idea that so many people like animals, but I already feel so disturbed. We've got someone selling batfish over here, and apparently he also has some kind of shipping certificate to Western countries. I can see a lot of local customers. I can see people streaming live on TikTok. Unbelievable guys. Looks like we've got some kind of leak over here. Look at these fish all together in one bag. Got some batfish over here in tiny bottles. Apparently these batfish are very territorial, so that's why they keep them separate. Let's check out the next section. So this place is mainly selling fish for garden pools, hotel pools, and the prices go up to hundreds of euros depending on the grade. Apparently these are grade A+, whatever that means. Can you imagine if these were actually people? So this section sells fish in the traditional way, kept in aquariums. Let's see if we can find any special one. Guys, check out this one. He's got a mushroom on his head, and it looks like he's trying to tell me something. I have looked them up, and apparently they have problem-solving skills. They can recognize owners. Amazing creatures. We've got fish bowls, food, oxygen tanks, castles, toys. I've never seen so many accessories. Apparently this shop has one of the most expensive fish around here. Let's check it out. Got some kind of stingray over here for 30,000 baht. Believe it or not guys, these fish go up to thousands of dollars. Looks like this is where the fish are packed. Let's have a closer look guys. So as you can see, this guy is putting oxygen into the bags and preparing them for takeaway or shipping, I guess. And we are back at the main street. We've got some more sellers over here. Looks like the prices are slightly cheaper than inside. Let's see what they've got in their collection. Got yellow turtles, lobsters in different colors, some kind of underwater fireworks over here. It's so hard to tell which ones are actually alive and which ones are at the edge of death. Look at this. I have never seen frogs like this. Green, orange, yellow. We've got the albino over here, some turtles, a stingray, and check out this one. He's not even moving. I hope I gave you a good impression of this aquatic zone guys. I think I need a break. I'm gonna find myself something to eat before continuing to the mammal and bird section, but definitely not at this restaurant. See you at the other side guys. Ciao ciao.